Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an investment property, one that blends in with the characteristics of the community. Located in the highly demanded St. Andrew community of Zadie Gardens, this single-story, three-unit apartment complex consists of three two-bedroom, one-bathroom apartments. Each apartment is individually metered for NWC and JPS, separate laundry connections, and backup water storage with pump. As an added bonus, there is a garage that can be assigned to a unit or it can easily be converted to a studio apartment, thereby maximizing the earning potential of the complex. Ideal for the savvy investor or someone looking to balance their mortgage with rent receipts. This is definitely worth a look. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 64 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.